Hello and welcome to Math Session with Mr. Fauzan. Okay, hi, welcome back. So right now I'm going to solve some problems regarding division. Let's check it out. Here, we need to find the quotient and remainder if any. Okay? And then, the first problem is we have 7,504 divided by 7. Now let's do the long division method because the repeated subtraction, if you want to do it, I think it takes a long time. Now, let's do it. We have to know first, this is the dividend. Okay, dividend. And after the symbol of division, this will be the divisor. And you know, in a long division method, we need to put the dividend inside the bracket, 7,504. And we put the divisor outside. Okay. First, let's recall the methods how to do long division. Let's check it out. Remember about does McDonald's sell burger acronym. That means first we have to divide and then multiply, after that subtract, then bring down. So the first step is we need to divide. What we need to divide, sir? Yes, the dividend divided by the divisor. What times 7 to become 7? Yes, it is 1. So where we'll put 1, we can put it on the top. And then the next step is multiply. Let's multiply. 1 times 7. It is also 7. We put it below 7. And then the next step is subtract. Let's subtract this minus the product. What is 7 minus 7? Yes, it is 0. Now, what is the next step? We have to bring down. We have to bring down 5. Okay? We need to divide 5 with 7. Okay? Can 5? What is the closest multiplication of 7 to become 5? If we put 7 times 1, it is equal to 7. More than 5. So what about less than 1? Let's do it. 7 times 0 is equal to 0. Okay, then we put this here. That means the product is 0. The quotient is 0. Then multiply. 0 times 7. It is 0. After that, do subtraction again. What is 5 minus 0? Yes, it is 5. Now, the next step will be bringing down the next number. So it becomes a new number which is 50. Now what times 7 to become 50 or close to 50? We know that 7 times 7 is equal to 49. And 7 times 8 is already 56. So that means let's use 7 times 7. We put the 7 on the quotient and we multiply 7 times 7, which is equal to 49. And then do the next step, which is subtraction. Let's subtract, regroup it. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Okay, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. The next step will be bring down. And then we have a new number, which is 14. So what times 7 to becomes 14? Or 14 divided by 7 is equal to, as you know, it is? Yes, it is 2. So we put 2 as the quotient and we multiply 2 times 7 and we put it below 14. We put it here and then we subtract it. Is there any remainder? No. 4 minus 7, 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Is there any number to bring down? There is none. So that means we put the quotient as the answer, which is 1072. and there is no remainder. Move on to another example. We have 8,103 divided by 9. So as we know, this number should be the dividend. And the dividend, when we do in a long division method, we have it like this. It will be inside 8,103. Make sure the number is the same. And then the divisor will be outside. Nah, look at what we got here. First of all, let's look from the largest digit first. Can 8 be divided by 9? I don't think so, because it is smaller than 9. So that means let's use two numbers at a time. 81. Can 81 divided by 9? Sure it is, because 9 times 9 is equal to 81. So we put 9 on the quotient. And then we multiply 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. And we put it below. And then subtract. What is 81 minus 81? It is definitely 0. Then, let's bring down the new number, which is 0. Oh, we have a dilemma here. Confusion. Agak bingung ya? You bring down 3? No. We can only bring down one number at a time. Okay? So, what is 0 divided by 9? Yes, we know it is 0 because 9 times 0 is equal to 0. So, that means the quotient is 0. Then 0 times 9, which is equal to 0. So, when we subtract 0 minus 0, is definitely 0. Got it. Now, let's bring down 3 because we only can bring one number at a time. Oh, can 3 be divided by 9? No, there is no number close to multiplication of 9 close to 3. So what we got here? Let's put another 9 times 0. Yeah? So that means another 0. Then 0 times 9 is equal to 0 again. Let's subtract. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Is there any number to bring down? There's no number to bring down. So that means this will be the remainder. This is how you write remainder, guys, which means sisa. So we will write it as it is. 900, and then the remainder, it could be capital R or small r, but I prefer capital R. How much is the remainder? 3. Yeah? So this will be the answer. Well, Alhamdulillah, now you have already practiced some questions in the division. Well, to make sure, let's summarize what you have learned today. Number 1, you can only bring down one number at a time. You cannot bring down two numbers at a time. Number 2, when the result after subtraction is smaller than the divisor, that means the divisor, the quotient can be 0. Yeah, that means the divisor multiplied by 0. For example, in our example here, we multiply 7 with 0. Yes? So that is what we got here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact me. You can like this video or also comment and subscribe. See you again.